Hello, my amazing humans. Today, I actually want to talk to you about hopefully having the best year yet. I want this year to be the start of your best future. So, I want to go over a few things that hopefully will help you do that. As an online entrepreneur, it's important to plan ahead. It's important to set goals. Important to, do both for both your personal and your professional life. So, I want to go over a few things to hopefully help you achieve that for your best 2024. The first thing is to definitely take time to reflect on what you want. What do you want to achieve? How can what steps can you take to achieve those goals? Consider creating a vision board or some kind of mood board or even writing down your goals. Now, I have been told and I have seen it happen that if you write down your goals versus say them out loud, more times than not that they actually happen because you're more motivated to do it. Now, I can't guarantee that for everyone, but I think it's important to actually try to do that. So writing them down, make a vision board, make a move, whatever motivates you to want to move forward in your future, to make it the best year. So once you have written down your goals or once you know what your goals are, it's important to plan ahead to achieve them. So you want to create a plan. Okay. So to do that, here's a few tips. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. This will make it easier to track. This will make it easier to finish. This will make it easier just to be motivated in doing those small, manageable goals. Then set a timeline for each of them. And you do need to be specific. You need to set a date or a date is actually the most specific because it's a date. So if you can do that, do it. Absolutely do it. And if you don't make it there, that's okay, but keep going. But make it specific. Was it 3 months, 6 months, and then the date within that time period? Identify any resources that you might need as you're trying to achieve those goals, whether it's networking, whether it's training, mentoring, family support, whatever you need to achieve those goals, look into it. See if you can get those planned out and set up as well. Another thing is develop a system for tracking your progress. Now, there's a lot of systems out there, but you can also do just an Excel spreadsheet. You want to make sure that you're able to track it. It could be systems like project management systems. It could be any type of system that can help you track your goal and remind you that, hey, this is coming up, or hey, you probably need to do this, is perfect because it helps you stay on track, help you stay focused, help you stay motivated, and then of course helps you stay organized as well. Regularly and regular and regularly and regularly. I can't say it. Okay, and regularly. Why do I sound like I'm and regularly? Forget the word. You know what I'm trying to say. Make sure that you are reviewing your progress and checking on it, making sure that you're keeping track of how far you've gotten, where you need to be, and if you do slow down, if you do miss a couple of steps, or if you are not making it as fast as you would like, that is okay. Maybe add a little bit more time here, or take away from this and do that on this side, but keeping track is important. Hold yourself accountable to these goals, and if you can, have somebody to help you hold yourself accountable. If you have a friend or a family member that can help you keep you accountable, that would be great. If not, then hold yourself accountable. I mean, I know that that is difficult, but when you're writing down your goals, this also helps you hold it down. Have it somewhere where you can actually see it. My mom has a vision board in her kitchen that she looks off and checks every day or every time she passes something. I don't do that, but I probably should. I do actually have uh, a chalkboard wall over here in my kitchen that I put chores on, but I might actually put a vision board on it. But it's something that you can look at all the time, every day, and remind yourself that this is what I'm working for. This is what I want. This is what I'm working for, and it's going to help you stay motivated. A huge one, celebrate your successes. No matter how big, no matter how small, it's important to celebrate any type of win, whether that's professional or personal, actually. A lot of times people, they're so hard on themselves. I know for me, I am very hard on myself. I feel guilty for resting. But God wanted you to rest. He wanted you to take time, um, rest, and celebrate your wins. Celebrate the little tiny successes and the big successes. This is very important for your mind, both mentally, physically. So make sure that you're doing that, and throw a party for yourself. Do something that you enjoy besides your business. Creating a plan, though, is just your first step. It's, you got to remember to stay flexible, committed, and focused. It's important to make a plan, but we have to move past that plan too and move forward. So the next step I would say is evaluate your business strategy. Okay, what can you do in your own business to maybe improve it? Can you offer some more products or services? Can you improve your marketing or your customer service experience? Is there something that you can do to improve both the experience for your customer and yourself? So, in other words, look at your strengths, look at your weaknesses, look at opportunities, look at things that you need to fix immediately, and identify those areas that you have to improve. This will give you a clearer picture of what your situation is, both in business and in personal. It'll help you make informed decisions on where you need to focus your efforts. I mean, this could be looking at the competition that you have in your niche, in your industry, and see what they're doing different. I mean, online business changes 24/7. So that is something that you should probably be doing all the time. But if you haven't done it in a while, go ahead and research the competition, see what they're doing, see what you like, see if you can find a gap in that, and then add it to your own business. Another big one, look at your finances, see where you can cut costs, see where you can, increase revenue. Are there any expenses that you can eliminate? Are there any expenses that you can reduce? Are there any untapped revenue streams that you can explore? Making sure that you have a solid and clear plan for implementing any of these changes or improvements. This should be clear goals, clear timelines, something that you can even make a routine. Maybe it's weekly, maybe it's monthly, but something that you can incorporate. But having a solid plan to do all of these things. Another thing that you could possibly do hire a professional mentor or a coach to help you in your business world. Investing in professional, development is critical in a lot of businesses, whether it's coaching, mentoring. This can be a game changer for pretty much any business. If they invest time and money into mentoring and coaching for themselves, for their business, both personal or professional, it can absolutely be a game changer. You can gain new skills and knowledge. You can increase your products, your services, your efficiency. You can increase confidence, which is a big one. You can build a bigger network. You can reach a wider audience, because they're teaching you how to do all of these things. These are that list that I just gave you is what you get when you get a coach or you get a mentor for both business and personal. But in addition to focusing on your business side, you have to make sure that you're focusing on your personal growth, your personal health. If you can't focus on any time on your personal growth or your personal health, your business is not going to get very far. Your mind needs to relax. Both physically and mentally, you need to be well. So this could be exercising, this could be taking a break and reading, or laying outside, or doing some type of relaxing activity. And I know that it sounds funny to put both relaxing and activity in the same sentence, but anything can be an activity. Reading can be an activity. But just figuring out a way to take care of yourself is very important to both your personal and your business life. So, another thing would be prioritize sleep. I know for me, I am a night owl and I can get up really early in the morning. So I just need about 4 hours. but that is really bad. um, so prioritizing sleep is necessary. And again, um, connecting with other people is also really good. Not all the time, but connecting with other people can actually help internally. Another thing would be learning something new. That is always fun. Not for everybody, but for a lot of people. Practice gratitude, being thankful for what you actually have in front of you, being thankful for the things that, the people in your life. It actually makes you feel so much better when you actually think about, what God has given you and the talent that you have, that you're able to do any of these things. So, practicing gratitude is number one. Okay. And then just making sure that you're taking care of yourself, and being a little bit selfish is absolutely good and okay. Create a better you, create a better personal life and a better business life. And the last thing that I want to put on here, and I do talk about this quite a bit, is never stop learning. Learn, do, teach. It's so important. The more you learn, I mean, you've heard it, knowledge is power. So never stop learning. Always look for the next thing and see what else you can put your focus in on learning how to do something, learning, how this works, learning whatever it is. Continue to do that so that your future, your next year, can be the best of your future. So I hope this has helped you in some sort of way. As an online entrepreneur, you can absolutely do this. And it is about making a plan. It's about planning to do it. Okay. It's about writing it down, making these goals, achieving them, personal health, business health, making sure that you are doing that and get motivated to do that. You can absolutely have the best year. But those are some of the tips that can hopefully help you get there. But if you don't know me, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose, and I am a course creator and a web designer. And I really do hope that you found value in this video. And if so, hit the like button. If not, hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.